Everything
Yes.
depends on this decimal, the divisor. Here you will just divide like this. 2.5 you will take and divide 3. Now 2 doesn't go, so decimal is there. So you'll put a decimal.
It is 4.
No, it's
No,
okay.
she's telling the
Another,
example which she gave you.
I'm giving you another example. So 3 8s are 24 and 1, then 0 you will put on your own. 3 3s are 9. So you are getting same. So it goes like this. 0.833. Is it clear, Munib?
Yes.
In decimal division, we have done two types of division: dividing decimal by a whole number and dividing decimal by a decimal number. Okay? Everyone, do you remember it? Two types
Yes,
of
ma'am.
decimal number. Okay?
Ma'am,
Multiplication.
after percentages, you will revise the conversion also, na?
I will revise before the test. Till that time, I
Yes.
will be giving you questions, mixed questions also I'll be giving you. So that will be your revision if you do it at home. So regularly do it at home. Humaira, I have not received your division answers. Huh? Humaira, Anas and Rashda also. So please keep on doing it. Okay. Who is on Takatak right now, Yaya? Why you people chat during the maths class? That's why you don't understand anything, huh? Okay, rest everyone has done. Anas has not joined. So, chalo, let us start with our class. Now, what we were doing in yesterday's previous class, what did we do? Percentage we have started and we converted. What did we convert? Fraction into percent or percent into fraction? Hmm?
Percent into fraction.
Did we do that?
Yes, ma'am. Percent into fraction.
Percent into fraction or fraction
into percentage.
तो सब लोग एक साथ wrong बोलते हो. It was fraction into percentage, okay? Not percentage into fraction. Today we'll do fraction. Today we'll do percentage into fraction, okay? How we converted fraction into percent? How did we do that?
I'm multiplying it by 100.
Yes. Fraction into percentage we have done. Fraction to percentage. How did we do?
Ma'am, lowest form. We did lowest form.
Lowest form bhi kiya, but actually we multiplied by 100. And in simplest form, find it in simplest form or lowest form, simplest form, and put a percentage sign. These were the steps.
Ma'am, we did from fraction to percentage.
Ha.
Like 4 by, like it is
Convert
4 by 5. So 4 by 5 multiplied by 100. Then we do the lowest form.
4 by 7 into percentage. How will I do? I will multiply it
Multiply by 100.
Okay, I don't have any lowest form over
400.
here. 400 by 7. Put it in
400
decimal.
by. And then divide.
Yeah, and divide. So put it in decimal.
7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35.
7 5s are 35 and 5. 7 7s are
7
8s are 50.
49.
and a decimal over here because nothing else left. A decimal and a 0. 7 1s are 7. Okay. So it is 57.1%. This we did in the previous class. Now today we'll do the reverse. What is the reverse? Convert
Percentage to fraction. Percentage to fraction.
convert percent into fraction. And once it is converted into fraction, you can convert into decimal also, okay? Because that you know how to convert fraction into decimal, okay? Just now we did. So convert percentage into fraction. What is the first step? Suppose I have a question, convert 25% into fraction, okay? So what is the first step? Percent means anything out of 100. So percent just...
Ma'am,
Yeah.
do we have to divide?
You divide by
100. Yeah. So you remove the percent sign, you have to divide
and then
by...
you divided by 100.
Yeah. So then you do the lowest form. It is 1 by 4. So it is converted into fraction. So 25% in fraction is 1/4.
And ma'am, if you want to check, you can do the other
If you
process
want to
that he
change
showed
it to
us.
decimal, it will be 0 point. How much it will be? 1 से 1 को divide करो 4 से. Okay. Point हो गया तो 0 हो गया.
4
4
2
2
are
का
8.
8.
What's your name?
-2 0 4 5 are 20. 0.25.
0.25. Is it clear how to convert percent into fraction and then into decimal you can convert? Okay, some more questions will do. Tell me.
So ma'am,
Seven-
first we have to do it in fraction, then we have to do in decimal, ma'am.
Yes.
In exam also we
No,
have
no,
to do it.
directly also you can do. See, 75%. So what is 75% actually?
Ma'am, 0.75.
by
75. Now see, decimal mein you can do na. 75 divided by 100 is how much? 0.75.
5.
और इसको लोएस्ट फॉर्म में कर लो तो फ्रैक्शन में भी है. दिस इज ऑलरेडी इन फ्रैक्शन बट इट शुड बी इन लोएस्ट फॉर्म. 15 नहीं 15 नहीं 5 से 5 1s are 5.
हाँ, कुलसुम.
ठीक है. 5 2s are 10 and 0. Then 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are. So answer
3/4.
is 3/4 and in decimal is 0.75.
नाम पुकारी जब कहाँ थी तुम?
Ma'am, how you got?
Ma'am, can you do some more questions?
We'll do some more questions. Yes.
Ma'am, how did you get 0.75? I did not understand that one.
Are you ready with the notebook?
Which one, Munib? 75 by 100. 100
So,
से division
no.
करो.
How did you, like, I got that 3/4 wala method, but how did you get 0.75? I did not understand.
See,
that.
75 by 100.
5
Zero
by
की
100.
division. Shift the decimal or to the left. Divide करते हैं तो shift the decimal 2 digits left.
Oh, okay.
Remember, 100 का division, 100 का multiplication.
Yes.
So that's one I use. So directly point shortcut method of 100,000 के division and multiplication always remember. वो कभी भी use होते हैं, ठीक है? No need to do this. ये इतना लंबा करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. You can directly put 25 by 100 is 0.25. यहीं से आ जा रहा है answer. Okay. So let us do some more questions. Percent into fraction. Everyone, first of all, tell me, is it clear how to convert percent into fraction?
Ma'am, explain one more time.
Just remove percent sign and divide by 100. Do the lowest form and you'll get in fraction, and divide by 100 means 2 decimal left you shift. You'll get the answer. Okay. So let us do some more questions. So we have done this. Now let us start doing the question. Abhi fast answer आना चाहिए. 3.5. What is my first step? 3.5 में 3.5. I have to convert fraction into percent. Percent sign remove किया. Put it 100 over here. Do it in lowest form. 5 से you can divide 5 से both.
7 5s are 35 and 7
5 sevens are you will say. So it is 0.7. क्योंकि 3 के बाद ही decimal है.
Yes,
If you want
there
to
is
take
point.
25, it is 0.7. So then 0.7, then you will have answer is 0.7 upon 20. But
Yes.
I need it in fraction. So to convert it into fraction, just multiply by 10 because I don't want decimal in the numerator over here. Pure fraction चाहिए. ठीक है? So what is the answer? Multiply by 10 in the
7
numerator.
upon
and-
200.
7 by 200.
Yes. So this is 7 by 200. Convert the following percent to fraction. Now next one.
Ma'am, can I share?
Yes. Yes, Abdullah. 30. What?
Ma'am, 100, ma'am. We will multiply then.
So 10,
30, we
1
will
0 1
do
0
it
directly to cut.
Yes.
तो ये
Then we will 3 upon 10, ma'am.
yes.
And the decimal would be
0.3.
0.3.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
you need to divide
0.03.
7 by
Ma'am,
200 also,
0.03.
right?
0.03.
Ma'am, if you are-
It was 30 divided by 100, Abdullah. It was 30.
Also, we Oh, हाँ ma'am.
0.3 ही आएगा ना?
Yes.
It will be 0.3 only, but we don't have to convert it into decimal, but you should know how to convert. Mainly we get it into fraction only. Okay, Muhammadi, 45 by 100, can you tell me that?
Ma'am, I done that.
Ma'am, 45 upon 100 and
Lowest
then
form,
5 5 9s are 45, 5 20s are 100,
correct. So the answer is,
9 upon 20.
next one is 85%. Amina, 85% is 85 upon
85 upon 100 and it will be divisible by 5.
yeah, so cancel it because 5 se jayega.
The next one can I do?
5 17s are 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 35, and in the denominator you have 5 20s are.
20.
So answer is 17 by 20. Last one, yes Munir.
Ma'am, it will be 70% का 70 by 100 and then 5 14 the 70, 5 20 the 100, 14 by 20. And then you can
7
simplify
by
that
10 is
also.
the answer. Simple kar lo Munir. 0
No,
0
ma'am,
can
Ma'am,
you
I
do
did
7.
I did not cut
7
zero.
by
I did
10.
dive.
7 by 10.
7 by 10 सीधा आ जाएगा. No need to
हाँ.
do much. Because जब भी zeros होते हैं, you can cancel zeros. Okay, 1 0 से 1 0, 2 0 से 2 0 you can cancel. So 7
Ma'am,
by
we can directly do like that also, na? Like
हाँ.
70 divided by 10, so it will become 7, and 10 tens are 100.
Correct. So
7 by
basically we
10.
are doing that only. तो अभी हम लोग जब ज्यादा practice हो जाता है तो we cut 0 0 directly. तो it is 7 by 10 only. Actually I am dividing 10 sevens and 10 tens I only. तो but shortcut method है कि 0 0 ही cut कर दो तो हो जाएगा. Okay. So this is clear everyone. I am erasing it.
Ma'am, can you tell me how do you multiply mentally, ma'am? Like 85, you did it 17, like it.
Okay, that also I'll tell you how we do. See, अगर 85 है, I have to divide 85, ठीक है? 85 divided by 5 मुझे करना है. So what I do, 5 1s are 5 किया, यहाँ पे 5 1s are 5 किया, just subtract 8 में से 5, 8 में से 5 किया,
3 is
subtract mentally, तो 3 हो गया, तो छोटा सा 3 यहाँ लिख दो, 35 हो गया. Now 5 7s are 35, तो आंसर आ गया. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो हो जाएगा इन लोएस्ट फॉर्म में स्पेशली.
I didn't understand.
रिमाइंडर आता है, छोटा सा लिख दो, जैसे कैरी लिखते हैं ना, सो राइट डाउन अ छोटा सा 3 ओवर देयर एंड 35 दिख रहा है, तो 5 7s are 35. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये वाला मेथड प्रैक्टिस करने से, बिकॉज व्हेन यू गेट लोएस्ट फॉर्म ना, तो बेटर यू डू इट मेंटली. शुरू में इट कैन हैव अ लिटिल प्रॉब्लम, बट प्रैक्टिस से इट विल बी फाइन. Okay, now coming to next. Order each set. Now everyone, I want answer from everyone. I'm not going to do it over here. Order each set from greatest to least. Now you have all mixed things. Okay, I'll tell you how to do and then you do. 15% है, 1 by 2 है, 1 by 3 है, 35% है. So how do you find it easier to arrange? If you convert everything into decimal, easy हो जाएगा arrange करना, right? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Or everything into fraction, so or everything into percentage. कोई भी thing, it should be same thing, then only you can arrange it easily. Okay, so whichever way is easier to you. If you find conversion to decimal easy, convert all 4 into decimal. If you find converting all into percentage easy, convert all into percentage. Okay.
Ma'am, it is descending, na? Descending order, na?
Yeah, it is descending. So biggest one, yeah, greater, largest number should be first. So start doing it, everyone. 15%, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 35%. I'll write,
convert all to percentage.
you can do anyway. You can convert all into percentage. 2 already are there in percentage. So rest 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 also convert into percent. You will get answer easily. Okay, now everyone will give me the answer. Whoever finishes first, just raise your hand and tell me. I'll write everyone's answer on board. Converting into fraction will take less time. All of you have written the question now. I'll just stop share and I'll come back again. Anyone has completed? You have two, 1/2 and 1/3 to convert into percent. Mohammadi, what happened? I want answer from everyone. Huh? Yeah, who has
Can you
done?
share the slide again?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, can you share the slide again, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I got the
who has
Ma'am,
answer.
can I
done?
share?
Ma'am, when you
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
me.
can I share?
Just one by one. Okay.
Ma'am,
Who
I have a
is telling me
question.
Percentage, I got it, ma'am.
Ma'am, the smallest one is.
Give me greatest to least.
Ma'am, can I say please?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
want to say,
One
ma'am.
by one. Wait.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
can I say?
Wait, coming to you.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, you say.
Yes. Ma'am, first 1/2, then
Okay.
35%, then 1/3, and then 15.
Okay. Then 15%.
Yes, ma'am, it is correct, ma'am.
Okay, who else?
Yes, ma'am. It is correct.
This
I have a
one,
question.
Abdullah also same answer. And who else is?
mine also, ma'am.
Okay. Munib also same answer. Yes, Amina. Tell me.
Ma'am, if you multiply 1/3 into 100, then you can cancel the zeros of 100, right?
You cannot cancel, na? 3 or 100 में कुछ भी cancel नहीं होगा. It will be 100/3. Bring it in decimal. What is it? What is 100/3 in decimal?
33.3 bar, and we round off, so 33.3.
33%. So this is 1/3 is 33.3%. And what is 1/2? 50%.
50%.
So which one is greater? And then you have 15%. And then you have
35%.
35%.
50, then 35, then 33.3, and then 15.
Largest is which one?
Yes, ma'am, I got the
50%.
answer correct. The same
1/2.
This is the answer. So only 4 people have done. Ibrahim not got answer. Humaira, Rashta. Rashta, are you there?
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Okay. Muhammadi, did you get the answer? You were not doing Muhammadi. You're just copying the answer now. Did now? Okay. Okay, so this way you have to arrange. Okay. The graph below shows the collection of Ted's video. How many % of total comedy video he has? Just check the question.
Comedy is 1/2.
1/2. So how much
Half.
it will be in percentage?
50%.
50%. Half is always 50%. How many % of drama and action video he has?
Ma'am,
Drama is 1 by
action
8.
is 25%, and drama is 12, and drama is
And you have to find
12.5.
total.
12.5%.
And you have to find total.
So 25 plus 12 is equal.
So what you have done? 1/8
Ma'am,
into
25%. 25%.
4 is 8.
75%
5
total is
10 is 0, and then 2 2s are 4, and then this is 2,
25.
25.
Ma'am, 35.5, ma'am, 35.5.
12.5% plus 1 by 4 is what? 25%.
25%.
35.5%.
35.5 कैसे आया? 5 plus 2 is 7
हाँ,
and
sorry.
37.5%.
37.5%.
Yes, so total is 37.5%.
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
No, don't write this question. Okay, now start writing the question. Write the equivalent percent of 0.23. That means you have to convert decimal into percent. Whenever you have to convert anything into percent,
23%, ma'am.
23%.
you just have to multiply by 100.
You have
So
to move two
answer is-
places.
start doing these questions. Again, you have an order question. Order you do later. Order you do later. First do these questions, then you will do order. So answer is 23%. How you got? Multiply by 100.
And
And
the second answer is 0.87.
You divide by 100.
yes, divide by 100. So answer is 0.87. Write the fraction of 150%. 150 upon 100. Who will do the lowest form? 0, 0 cancel kiya सीधा.
Ma'am,
we have to
3
write
upon
this?
2.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 3 upon 2.
3 upon 2.
3 upon
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
Yes, yes, write down. 3 by 2. Okay. Convert fraction to percent. 3 by 4 into percent. So how will you do?
The answer is 75%.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
ये क्या
Because 4
Correct.
ones and 4 25s and 3 25s are
Correct, correct.
75%.
क्या दिख रहा है?
So 75%. What happened, Ibrahim? Sleeping, not writing also, not doing also. हाँ गाल पे हाथ रख के बैठे हो. Okay, so just write all these 4 questions, then we'll go through the last question.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the last question.
Yeah, I'm reading it. Wait. Oh, I'm not getting the question. Wait. Something is there.
Ma'am, in the last question, we have to convert 800 to percent.
I'll have to read the question. I've not read the question. Let me read it. It was not visible on my screen. Okay. Question is, during the Xmas sale, a bookshop reduced the prices of its cartoon books from
1/4%, ma'am.
what
1/4%.
Okay. Don't do this question. I have to teach you the decrease percent and increase percent. Okay, I'll teach you this and then we'll do this question.
Ma'am,
Do
1/4% is the answer.
I'll tell you. I'll teach you and then I'll explain. Okay, order each set from least to greatest, from smaller to bigger. I want answer from Ibrahim. Again, you have 2 percentages. So convert 1 by 4 and 1 by 8 into percentage. And you have to arrange in the smaller to bigger number. First tell me 1 by 4 is how much percent and 1 by 8 is how much
1
percent?
by 4 will
1
be
by 4 is
25%.
25%.
Answer.
Ibrahim. You know how to convert, okay? Just multiply 1 by 4 into 100, you'll get. And this also we just now found out, 1 by 8. What percent was it? Previous page में we did that question, na?
Ma'am, it was 25.
फजर की नमाज पढ़ के सो जाते हैं.
No, 12.5, na?
Yes, 12. I'm sorry.
हाँ?
Now can
Can
you
I say
arrange?
the answer? Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Ibrahim will say,
अगर आप पूरा बहुत
you have given previous answers. Unmute, Ibrahim, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, first it will come, it is from least to greatest, no? So
Ah,
first it will come 5%. Then it will come 25%. No, no,
5%.
5%, then 12.5%.
That is 1 by 8. You have to write in actual question form. Okay. Then
Okay. Then it will come 1 by 4.
hmm,
And then it will come 1 by, no, it will come 32%.
this is the answer. Okay. So first you have to convert 1 by 4 and 1 by 8 into percentage, and then you can arrange it. Okay. So let us move to the next page. Now convert from percent to decimal. We have already done. Just divide by 100, shift by 2 decimal to the left.
Can you tell how to do the 1 by 8 multiply 1 by 8 fraction to percentage?
Okay. 1 by 8 into percentage multiply with 100. Okay.
Yes.
Lowest form karo.
8 to the 4.
Sorry, ulta
And
bol. 4 to the 8.
ma'am,
4 to the 8 and 4 to the 8 and 4 5s are 20. 4 25s are. Okay. So this
ma'am,
is
I did from that, ma'am. I did from 2. So I made 8 4 and I made 106.
हाँ ठीक है.
Ma'am,
You can do any-
825 is not 100. But
825 is not 100. 425 is 100. Okay. So that's why I got 2 here. Okay, Yahya, just see 2 ones are 2. I am converting it into decimal. 2 ones are 2. Then I am dividing 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Again, 1 remainder left. So 1 is here. So I'll put a decimal. And then 0, you put a 0 on your own. 2 5s are 10. So 12.5%. If you want, you can divide here also. 25 say by 2. 2 ones are 2. 5. 2 twos are 4. 1.05. Is it clear, Yaya? How we got 12.5%?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this also we have done how to convert percent into decimal. You just have to shift decimal to the left because you are dividing by 100. Any percent, if you have to convert into decimal or fraction, you have to divide by 100. Okay. Next is convert from decimal to percent. This also we have done. Anything you have to convert into percent, you have to multiply by 100. Okay. So either it is fraction or decimal, you just multiply by 100, you will get into percentage. So this also we have done. So this is basically our chart. Fraction to percent, you will, when you have to convert fraction into percent, you have to multiply by 100. When you have to convert percent into fraction, you have to divide by 100. Okay. When you have to convert percent into decimal, you have to divide by 100. And when you have to convert decimal into percent, you have to multiply by 100. So there is only one rule. Conversion to percent, if you have to convert anything into percent, just multiply by 100. If you have to convert anything percent into decimal or fraction, divide by 100. So this is the rule that you have to remember. Okay. So now let us start with the questions. Convert following fraction into decimals. You will give me the answer. Simple questions are there. Convert following fractions into decimal to 2 places. Fraction to decimal, you already know how to convert fraction to decimal. How do we convert?
Divided.
We divide.
Just divide. So give me the answers. 3 by 4. What is the answer? 2 decimal places. Huh?
Ma'am, 4 sevens are 28.
What is tracking?
Divide in rough.
No, ma'am, I'm doing.
Ma'am, 0.7, 0.75.
0.75.
Yes, skydiving.
0.7.
0.75.
Engineering also.
Correct. 0.75. Next one. 1 by 3.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
it is
B1, ma'am, 2 upon 5,
Acha,
ma'am.
B. Huh, B.
Ma'am, it is 0.5.
0.5, ma'am.
Correct, 0.5.
It will be 0.4, not 5.
But I never did it.
Which one? This one?
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
sorry.
5 fours are. Ma'am,
Yeah,
5
it is 0.4.
Ma'am, how will we convert from fraction to decimal?
We have done this now. Just divide it. 2 को divide करो 5 से. अभी तो किया था decimal division में. 0.04 20. याद आया, Ibrahim? You remember now? So it is 0.4. Now what is it? 0.
Ma'am, 83, 0.83. Ma'am, 0.83.
Yeah. What is 1/3? Write down the question so that even if you don't complete it, you
Ma'am,
can do it.
0.33.
Correct. 0.33 dash dash होता है. But 2 decimal निकालना है, so you don't write 0.3 only.
Ma'am, 0.5.
0.5.
Lowest form कर लो पहले. 1/2. This is actually 1/2. 4/8 is 1/2 and 1/2 is 0.5. 7/9 is 0. 9 7s are 63. 7 आ गया फिर से.
7s are 63. 0.77.
Round off करना पड़ेगा. It will be
Ma'am, we
0.
can put bar, no?
हाँ नहीं, because 2 decimal places they have told, so you have to bring 2 decimal only. So round off, because next digit will be 7 only, so previous digit will be 0.78. I'm writing the answers directly, but you have to do the working, because since we have already done this, so I'm just doing it in. Even if you don't understand anything, you can ask. Answer I'm giving you. What is
Ma'am, 0.230. No, ma'am, sorry.
7 2
0.2.
14. 7 हो
हाँ,
गया,
ma'am.
7 2 14, 6 हो गया, then
30, ma'am.
How 8, sir?
After you finish,
Ma'am, we can do
7
30, then we can finish it,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it will come by 6, no?
did you understand the question?
Wait, 7 2 14, 7 2
Sir,
14.
yes.
Close
56,
to
yeah.
nature. Which work is close to
Ah,
nature?
yes, 7 8, sir.
Okay, 4 आया.
Ma'am, you could directly do it by that, no, ma'am. 50, ma'am.
I was doing it in shortcut only. 5. 0.285, but you have to round off to 2 decimals, so 0.29 will be the answer. Okay, because last digit you are getting 5. 9/10 you can do directly. 0.
0.9
Nature,
only, ma'am.
nature-related places.
This do the lowest form. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So actually 2/3 को convert करना है. So convert it. This is also rounded off. 0.66666 को round off किया.
Would you like?
Yes, ma'am, it will be 0.67.
Also, you can.
0.677. 7.
Ma'am,
Continue.
now we will do
0.67.
no?
Okay, next one now. Convert the following. Now, are you facing any difficulty in the first part? You can ask me now. If you have forgotten, I can again explain so that you remember, because this is very important. Every time you'll be getting
Ma'am.
this type of question to convert.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
before we do these questions, I have one doubt. Ma'am, see, if it is 0.9 and we have to convert into percent, so we will multiply by 10, no?
Right.
No, by 100. Percent means 100 only. Always 100. Okay.
Got it.
One, I'm
Okay, now convert the following decimals to percentage. How will you convert? You just have to
I'm
multiply.
67%, 83%, 54%, 9%, 2%, 2%,
83%,
1%,
1%, and 30%.
54%,
54%.
90%,
How much is this?
90%.
9%,
90%.
20%.
0.9 into 100.
20%.
20%,
20%.
2%,
2%.
70%,
7%,
70%.
14.7%,
14.7%.
3.4%,
3.4%.
3.4. percent.
Okay. Now complete this sheet. I'm giving you 5 minutes are left. So those who have not done yet, just complete it. Don't write the answer directly. Do it first.
Will you give it on Google Classroom?
This one, no, this is the classwork. Why will I give this in Google Classroom? Just complete it over here only, na? The small questions are there. If you are not able to do the solution, write down the questions and complete it at home. Okay, I'm not giving any homework today. I'll give you homework next week, but complete your division thing. Okay, maybe I'll give you homework today only, decimal and percent and all those things. I'll see if I get questions, I'll give you today. So those who have completed can go. Those who have not completed, write down the questions and can do the questions at home. The questions are very important. Conversion is it's for your practice. Everyone has done what we have done in the
Yes,
second one.
ma'am, done.
You don't have to do anything. Just multiply by 100. All the questions will be done.
Yes.
Should I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Last week we did lecture. Last week what?
Okay. So complete your pending work. Okay. And that's all for today's class. See you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.